Big Mike D717 Outlaw. Welcome to my crib for the next 3 days. We're up here at Beaver Springs Dragway getting ready to race for Memorial Day weekend. And yeah, we're just gonna get into it. We didn't get to do any testing yet this year on the Busa or the R6, but we're up here for Memorial Day weekend. We have 3 points races. We have today, which is Saturday, is round 2 of the point series. Then tomorrow's round 3. And then because of rain, round 1 got pushed to Monday. So we have 3 back-to-back days of racing. Hopefully we can do pretty good. There's a pretty good bit of bikes here. There's bar bikes. There's no wheelie bar bikes. It's gonna be interesting. There's a lot of nice bikes up here, and we're gonna see how the Busa and Cornbread fare in this weekend's racing. So let's get to it, guys. Racing's about to start. It's about 10 o'clock. I think time shots are either at 10 or 11, but let's get to it. So we did our 2 time shots for today. Had a little bit of rain delay. We started around 11 o'clock. It's already going on about 2:30. So we finally got our 2 time shots. Unfortunately, I was running with no 2-step on the Busa, trying to do like I used to, just rolling into the throttle. It didn't work out for me very well. The launches were pretty bad. And the second pass, I don't know if the camera, you could tell on the camera very well, it was doing wheelies, second, third, and fourth it was good, but I was starting to pull to the center line. So I'm trying to think of a dial in for it, because first pass off the trailer was a 9.6. That was the first run of the year for the bike. The last one, fighting wheelies, was a 10.0. So I'm tempted just to put a dial in as like a 9.5, and we're just gonna wing it for the bracket and see how good we do. If we break out, we break out. We can mess with it. We're up here for the whole weekend, so we have time, but hopefully we don't get knocked out in round 1. There's about, I believe, 16 bikes in the bike class today, so we're gonna see how we do. The R6 isn't doing too bad. It's just getting the launches down and trying to feel it out yet, but we're getting there somewhere. guys, so we went into round one. I'm hoping that it showed up on camera, but I never rode a wheelie out that far in third gear. Pretty sure it was the entire gear it rode out the wheelie. But anyway, wrapping up with that is we're buying back in for round two. So there is like a buyback bracket. So we'll be in like a loser's bracket for probably a round or two, depending on who all buys back in. And then whoever is last out of the loser's bracket gets back into the actual bracket. But Mickey did pretty good with Cornbread. He is going into round two, and Keith, that also runs up here. Keith has his GSXR 600. He's running in round two as well. So we're just gonna buy back and go through this buyback bracket and see what we can do. All right, guys, let's get back to it. My best of the day, so I can't really go too negative here today. All right, guys, well, we went into the buyback round. We lost in round one, but it was a very tight race. It's actually like a 50-50 on the loss. It was he did cross a stripe 0.2 before me, but I also broke out, so it was kind of a given. If he would have ran a little bit slower, I probably still would have broke out, but we ran our best of the day. Ran a 9.29 at 155, which is actually cooking. I mean, this bike has been making up mile an hour on the big end like crazy. So we're gonna call it a night for the Busa, but Cornbread is into round two, and we're gonna see what Mickey can do. Hopefully he can make it into the final. All right, guys, well, Mickey managed to sneak his way into testing, so he's going to go up. We're going to go help him out with some test hits, hopefully get his launched out in just a little bit better. And yeah, just going to take advantage of some testing here since we're camping out for the night. And we're going to sit here and watch the final, because there are two people that I know and me and Mick both know that are still in the run. They just made it to round three. We're going to see how they do and everything like that, and just sit out the rest of the evening. All right, guys, well, day one of the Memorial Day Classic, almost done. So let's get ready for the finale. Made it into racing. Didn't do too bad. The Busa was running good towards the end. It sucks that I didn't, unfortunately, lost my my buyback run. But funny thing is, the guy that I raced in my buyback on the bar bike, he's the one that won the final. We just watched him go. And yeah, we're pretty much going to wrap it up here for day one. Unfortunately, we're going to see what the points look like for me. Mickey probably did better than me because he at least made it into the next round, but we're calling it a day here. Gonna go crash in the camper or in the trailer for the night. The bikes are about as snug as they're gonna get. We're just gonna keep them out here since there's no room in the trailer. But all right, guys, like I said, hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you know anything more about anything here on the channel, drop your comments down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hit that subscribe button along with the little bell for notifications. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for racing. Yeah, we're going to get back to it. All right, guys. Remember, ride safe, ride smart, always your helmet. See ya.